Hi, this is Dave Aquino with MicroQuant, and this is Tuesday, June 30th, 2015. This is the free video. We are looking at the NASDAQ futures and just looking at the trading that occurred this morning until about 12 noon. You can see that we had a gap higher today at the open, and then we subsequently fell for the rest of the opening range. Now, what's nice about this particular setup is that the opening range that I taught in the Everyday Profits workshop really helped us get an idea of the potential moves in this market. Now keep in mind, today's the last day of the month, last day of the quarter, last day of the first half of the year. We have issues of Greece and Puerto Rico and the U.S. bonds and all these kind of things kind of weighing on us, news events external to the market that kind of is causing the market some choppiness and some consolidation and some uncertainty. So with the Everyday Profits structure, it gives us some chance to make determinations of where the market may move. Now, it also gives us the opportunity to determine this market really is tough to trade. So we have to be extremely careful. We can take selective trades or we can choose not to trade at all. But the NASDAQ on a 2-minute, this is the NQ futures. The QQQs look very similar. The opening range move is to the downside, and then we get a quick 50% retracement to the middle of the range. We have a retest of the opening range low and a bounce back towards the middle of the opening range. One more attempt to go lower, and then a little bounce, and then a break below the opening range. Now, normally this means that there is a breakout to the downside, but you can see how MQ momentum's already sliding higher. This is a bullish divergence on that low, so it allows us to get long and break higher. Once we break above the opening range low, the next logical target is the middle of the opening range. So the middle of the opening range in conjunction with these MQ trend dots gets us to about 1130, and then this swing low to this swing high, we basically get a 618 retracement. Where to? Back to the low of the opening range. Now, from about 1145 on, we've just been kind of moving sideways, and you can see right now at about 1207, we're bouncing off the opening range low and going higher. So a lot of volatility, but we have the tools to make sense of the price action and give us a fighting chance to make some money in basically what it is a very choppy, sideways, uncertain, chaotic, and volatile environment. So again, if you're interested in that, contact us at support@microquant.com. Again, the program is called Everyday Profits, and you can see how we use it every single day in the markets. And by the way, this thing should go up to the middle of the opening range. Can be used with stocks, options on stocks, and index futures. No problem at all with that. I mean, this is the NQ chart itself. So good luck with it, and I'll talk to you soon.